Now I'd like to talk to you about something really interesting about how exercise can reduce your chance of recurrence from breast cancer by 20%. 20% is actually better than many chemo treatments will offer you. And this was done in a study, actually in Europe, showing that doing exercise, a certain type of exercise, 4 times a week, would decrease your chance of recurrence by 20%. So we use an equivalent of energy called a MET, M-E-T. If you ever have or seen someone have a stress test on a treadmill, they do it in levels of energy equivalents called METs. So 1 MET is sitting on your bum, and 12 METs is running a half marathon. So we've found that 7 METs, 4 times per week for an hour, that's 28 METs per week, will give you 20% reduction. And that has actually been documented. And what does that mean? Well, it could be a brisk walk, walking at a pace that you may be a little short of breath. If somebody started to talk to you, you might not be able to speak in completely full sentences. And that would be about it. Again, if you worked at a slower pace or you wanted to break it up, do it 20 minutes 3 times a day. But that will give you a much more beneficial effect even than chemotherapy. Of course, in concert with chemotherapy, it's really going to be preventive for the future.